welcome back to Cooking with Veronica. Today I'm going to bake some cookies. It's going to be butter cookies with guava paste. It's a nice sweet treat that you definitely love and try it at home. Here are the ingredients. 240 grams of all-purpose flour, 80 grams of sugar, 160 grams of butter in room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 100 grams of guava paste cut in cubes. Preheat the oven in 180 Celsius. Mix the flour, the sugar, the butter, and the vanilla extract in a bowl until it is homogeneous. And let it separate. Then we are going to cut the guava paste in cubes. Then separate a bit of the mix and roll it. Then cut in round pieces like this. Flatten it a bit and add a cube of the guava paste and put it in the baking tray. Once you finish it all, put it in the oven and let it bake for around 20 minutes. The guava paste is going to melt, but once it cools down, it will go back to normal. Now that it is ready, let it cool down and it's ready to eat. That's it, the cookie is ready. It's a little bit brown, I like this way, and you can see that the guava melted a bit, perfectly for dipping. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give your like and let me know in the comments if you tried at home, if there is any cookie recipe that you'd like to see here. Maybe I'll try next time. And I see you next Thursday.